How to change lock screen clock on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change lock screen clock format on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as lock screen. And now here, once you are inside the lock screen, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as lock screen clock format under the lock screen. So just tap on it and now here you will see all the lock screen layout. So here simply select the one that you like, and once you have selected it, it will be automatically updated. And that's it. That's how you can change the lock screen clock on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.